Hello and welcome back to Wise Relation. Today we will be discussing schizotypal personality disorder. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any videos just like this one. People who are diagnosed with schizotypal personality disorder are often highly intelligent, but struggle to identify with others. They find it difficult to form close relationships and may have more of a tendency to engage in unusual behaviors. Typically, they don't show any symptoms until adulthood, when their odd behavior becomes apparent. Those with this condition might also be withdrawn and distant from people in general, and they also tend to experience discomfort in social situations. Number 1. Social and interpersonal deficits. Schizotypal personality disorder is a mental health disorder characterized by social and interpersonal deficits. Schizophrenia, the disorder's namesake, manifests itself in different ways, but often includes paranoid or delusional thoughts, auditory hallucinations, grossly disorganized behavior, and withdrawal from normal social interaction. Symptoms of schizophrenia can also include mood swings, delusions, and thinking that random events are connected to oneself. Number 2. Thinking that coincidences or events have personal meaning. Schizotypal personality disorder is a disorder that affects an individual's ability to relate to people. People with this disorder often have a hard time making social connections and find it difficult to participate in group conversations. They can also experience delusions of persecution or belief that they have been singled out for an unusual degree of misfortune. A person may have a false belief that others are out to get them or might be plotting against them. Number 3. Magical thinking or odd beliefs. Schizotypal individuals may have difficulty understanding what is real and unreal, or may believe that external events can be controlled with one's thoughts. People with this disorder often feel as if they are being persecuted or threatened, although others may not see these threats as such. This type of delusion usually involves the individual believing he or she has special powers or abilities. For example, someone who believes she is able to read minds could think her friends are trying to communicate something only she understands. Someone else may believe his mind controls other people's actions. Number 4. Bodily illusions or strange perceptual experiences. Those who suffer from SPD often experience strange perceptual experiences, such as feeling that they are being touched when no one is there, or hearing voices in their head when no one is speaking. These hallucinations can be very frightening and cause great distress for those with this disorder. It is important to note that not everyone with schizophrenia will have delusions, however. It is common among those diagnosed with SPD. Number 5. Being suspicious or paranoid. People with schizotypal tendencies may have intense feelings of suspicion and paranoia. Obsessive-compulsive tendencies may be present, as well as delusions or hallucinations. People with this type of thinking tend to see themselves as different than others around them. They also feel like other people can read their minds. This makes it hard for them to trust anyone else's intentions. These thoughts are often accompanied by a feeling of being watched or followed. Some individuals who suffer from these symptoms believe they are under surveillance by the government or law enforcement agencies. Others think there is an alien force controlling their lives. The most extreme cases involve delusional beliefs about aliens taking over Earth. Number 6. Lack of close friends. Those with this personality disorder have odd beliefs and behaviors, meaning they will oftentimes not have close friends. They may feel like they are in constant danger or in an unreal environment, which in turn will cause them to become isolated in society. This isolation causes them to be unable to make new friendships because they do not want to share their strange thoughts and ideas with others. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.